First emerging from sea level 100,000 years ago, Kilauea is one of the newest Hawaiian volcanoes and one of the most active on Earth. Its name means spewing in Hawaiian. Over its brief lifetime, its eruptions have been violent and almost constant. Its summit caldera is viewed by many native Hawaiians as the home of the volcano goddess Pele, revered as both a destroyer and creator. Along the rim of the crater, hot water vapor billows from the ground in steam vents. This phenomenon occurs when groundwater seeps down to rocks heated by magma deep underground. The rocks are so hot that it vaporizes the water, shooting it to the surface as steam. Lava flows from Kilauea have been absolutely devastating throughout history, burying entire towns at once. These slopes are painted black with the cooled pathways of centuries of eruptions. Eventually, the scorching lava flow meets the cooling waters of the Pacific Ocean.